What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the old Farts Garage. And today, nope, not working on the truck. Today, we're going to do some urban gardening. Yep, we got some potatoes that somebody forgot in the pantry and they started to sprout. So, you know what? Let's put them in the dirt. So let me show you what we got. So, we have these little golden babies. Okay, see, and they're sprouting. There we go. So we're gonna go ahead and put those in the dirt. Okay. All right, let's get started. Let's go ahead and mix this dirt up. My mom has some good dirt. We've always had good dirt over there. Good old sandy loam here in Central Valley of California, and it's just all kinds of good areas to get dirt. And it helps when your parents on a good lot. We got about a quarter acre. It's all, guys always planted some. We got orange trees and peach trees. Yeah. That should be plenty. And whatever I can use, I'll just go ahead and dump it in the bed. Just go ahead and dump the whole bag in here. Yeah, my dad would go out to his friend's ranch and bring home a whole truckload of steer manure, and he would throw it all, well, he'd have me and my brother wheel it all into the backyard and toss it in there. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and dump the whole bag. That way, whatever we don't use, we can save it. Maybe not the whole bag. Maybe just a little bit of the whole bag. Let's see. Yeah, that's about 2/3 of it. That should be plenty, I think. Break up these little quads. So what we have here is some sandy loam. Okay, and it's just, it's not even hard pan or nothing like that. It's just good old agricultural dirt from where we live at. This is the kind of dirt you'll find around the almond trees and peach trees and some of the pasture land around us, but mostly almonds and pasture and alfalfa and stuff like that to feed. We got a lot of dairies in our area, so, and we're constantly mixing tons and tons of steer manure back into the ground, you know, to replant their corn and their alfalfa, you know, for the cows and the dairy, some of the ranch cows. That's some nice looking dirt right there. Oh yeah. So we call it good dirt. Good old American soil. My dad never used pesticides. So it's clean. Good old clean dirt. I mean, you could literally, when you go into my mom and dad's house, when you go into their backyard, you can literally smell the dirt, how clean it is and stuff. You know? Yeah, you could literally smell how clean the dirt is. Nice and black. Well, not literally black, but good brown dirt. You know? Let me show you. So here's what we got going on. Look at that. That is some good sandy loam. Good planting dirt right there. And you could literally smell how clean this dirt is. That's why I like going to my mom's and getting that dirt. All right, let's go ahead and fill our buckets and plant some potatoes. Go about 4 inches from the top. Then we'll set our potatoes in there. And then we'll bury them. And when you plant them, you don't want to let the dirt dry out, but you don't want it soaking wet because it'll spoil them. You don't want them to rot on you. Okay. No need to pack it. It'll pack itself eventually. Get that out of there. Oh yeah. Good dirt, good dirt. And also when you go to plant them, okay, you're gonna wanna plant the sprouts facing up. Okay, so go ahead and get our potatoes here. Let's go ahead and bring the camera in. There we go. So, anyway, the sprouts, these go up. All right, we're gonna do like 4. Yeah, like that. Just bury them kind of halfway. Actually, let's just do 3 in each one. Okay. Yeah. Let's do 4. Let's go ahead and do 4. They should be fine. That shouldn't be too crowded. Okay. Got a lot of dirt left over that I can use. Okay, let me see. There. Well, I think that 4 would be perfect. In there. There. All right. You don't want to crowd them in because then you won't really get a good growth because they'll be too crowded together. This one's got the sprout stuck in the bag. Ah, there we go. That's a nice sprout. Let's put one here. This one's got some going here. Oh, one left. You know what? Let's go ahead and put an extra one in here just for shits and giggles. You know? Now, what do you got to lose? All right. So that's our potatoes. Let's go ahead and bury them. All right. Oh, I love putting my hands in this dirt. This is some beautiful dirt. You just, you don't have to bury them real deep. Just as long as you cover them, should be enough. Yeah, I wish you guys could feel this dirt. It's beautiful dirt, I'm telling you. And that's some of the stuff that we grew up doing with my mom and dad, is learning how to do this kind of stuff, you know. And my dad, he was a landscaper on the side, aside from his normal job. And boy, I tell you, he loved his garden. He loved being in and out of his garden. Yeah. And he taught us how to mix this dirt and how to make some real nice dirt. Look at that. Wow. I wish you guys could see this. I mean, like I said, you could smell how clean this dirt is and how awesome it is. All right. So, there you have it. And let me get this. Oh, there you have it. Okay. Well, there you have it. You know, the Old Farts Garage urban potato planting day. Yeah, well, like I said, you know, hey, that's the thing about the Old Farts Garage. We don't just do one thing, we do everything. Everything that we can, you know, God willing, you know, and today was, hey, let's plant some potatoes. Tomorrow, maybe we'll work on the truck. So, anyways, y'all have a good day. Thanks for coming with me on this little journey of potato planting for our urban garden. All I got to do is just take them out in the back, water them, and we are good to go. So y'all have a nice rest of your weekend, and we'll see you next week on the Old Farts Garage. All right, God bless.